I'm back again, and as we said, we have 3 major chords, 3 minor chords, and 1 diminished chord. We have handled 3 major chords, including their inventions. We have handled 2 minor chords, so that would be 5. There's left 1 more minor chord and a diminished chord. The next minor chord we have, and the last minor chord, the sixth, that's the La on the keyboard. So once we handle the La, it can help us play quite a number of songs. So if you have not practiced the formal and the previous videos, kindly go back and check them out and practice them. You would find them somewhere here. If not, and you have, let's get to this lesson. In the key of F, we have the major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And when we have this way, what we actually mean that we have handled the Do, which is the 1, Fa, which is the 4th, So, which is the 5th, and we have tackled the Re, and we have tackled the Mi. In the last lessons, we were using the La a little bit. So let's be fast on it and see how we actually have to incorporate the La, which is the 6th minor chord, in the major scale. How we form the La, to recap, we would have 2 intervals, notes in the middle, then 3 notes in the middle. So you have the root, you skip 2 notes, you have the 3rd, you skip 3 notes, you have the 5th. The notes you skip are called the intervals. Once we have that figured out, for a major, we would have skipped 3 notes first, then followed by 2. Remember, the black keys and the white keys are all equal. So when you are skipping, you are not skipping a white key, but you are skipping either of them, no matter where you're on the keyboard. So for the major chord, we have this, skipping the 3 black notes and the 2 black notes. So 3 first, then 2 first. After that, that's the major. With the minor, the 3rd comes down a step. Then you have 2 notes skipped. It has been skipped. And the 3rd, then 3 notes skipped. Good. I try my best to spend quite a number of time on this because when you are learning other keys, that's how you're going to apply them to learn the other keys. So let's go to how we use the 6th chord. But before that, let's look at something that we call inversions of the 6th chord. The 6th, which is the minor. The inversions of that is simple. Like I taught you in the previous lessons, you have the root chord, you have the first inversion, you have the second inversion, and back to the roots. One, the root chord. When you move the 6th upper, you have the first inversion. So roots, first inversion. And when you move the F notes to the next, you have the second inversion. Again, when you move the La upwards, you have the first inversion. When you move the Do upwards here, you have second inversion. If you move it again, there's not a third inversion because this is a 3 notes chord. Then you back to the root. I hope we get that. Now, if we have gotten that, then I want to move into how to apply that. Now, how do we apply the 6th chord in the scale? You use the 6th chord when you are going to the 2nd. The 6th chord can equally move you to the 5th. And the 6th chord, on most songs, we move it to the 4th. The 6th chord has a lot of dynamics that makes playing music so beautiful. With a 6th chord, you can play quite a number of foreign songs. With a 6th chord, you can play quite a number of local songs in addition. And with a 6th chord, you could end up playing some minor songs which are so beautiful. Once again, the 6th chord would help you play minor chords which are so beautiful. The 6th chord would help you move to the 4th to play so many gospel reggae, so many gospel, praises songs, and a lot of them. The 6th chord would also help you move to the 2nd chord, as in a passing chord to the 2nd. And the same 6th chord could also help you move to the 5th chord in so many occasions, especially when you are playing the minor songs I'm talking about. But for now, we're going to apply the 6th chord to some major chords, and I'll show you how beautiful 2 chords play one of the most popular songs in Ghana. Let's go to the keyboard. First, like I said, the 6th chord moves to the 4th. You know this rhythm. Possibly you've heard that before. Then we have been doing this a lot. This is for basic gospel worship. You've been hearing that a lot. And you also have this. Did I not tell you? You're loving it already. So that's some of the basic applications of the 6th chord. Now, what songs can we do with that? Let's start with using the 6th chord as a passing chord. So we have a song, as usual, we use Daa Na Se as an example.
Daa Na Se, Daa Na Se, Daa Na Se, Daa Na Se,
Remember, the 6th moves to the 2nd. And the 2nd moves to the 5th, then back to the 1. First. Again. Because we are going to the 6th, we use the 3rd. And because we are going to the 5th, we use the 2nd. Re, so, and back to first. The same timing again, the same song, Daa Na Se.
Daa Na Se,
Mi.
Na Na.
Because we are going to La.
Se.
La is moving to Re, like I told you. But Re also is going to So, because we are ending on Do. Does that make sense? All right. You have any other song in there?
Berima, Yehowah.
Alfred has gotten us a song. Alfie!
Yeah.
Let's go.
Berima, yeah.
Pause. See what we've done there? We've used the 3rd to the 4th, what we did in our previous lesson. Instead of Berima, what do we do, Alfie? Let's go.
Berima,
as a passing chord.
Yehowah, oh to me so, oh to me so, oh Berima, Yehowah, oh to me so.
Remember, from the 6th you're going 2nd. 2nd to 5th, then you come to the 1st. Again.
Oh, Berima, Yehowah, oh,
from the 6th you're going to 2nd. 2nd to 5th.
Oh, to me so. Yeah, Becca, you man, you know.
The 3rd moves as a passing chord to the 4th.
Every say
seat can also move to the feet. So, as a passing chord. Third to the fourth. Because we are going to the feet, we are going to the second. Before. Now 6, 5, 1.
Berima, Yehowah.
3 to 6.
Larry.
Sodo. Again, that's how for the last time.
Berima,
From the line, you're going to re because we are ending up going to so. See how he's spicing the song.
Yeah, Becca, on your man in if we say on your man, yeah, can see. Berima, Yehowah. Oh, to me son. Oh, to me son.
Let me give you one tip here. Understand that when you see someone playing, anyone playing, and he's playing quite a lot of notes, basically don't focus on his right hand. If you want to know which chord he's playing, focus on the left hand. Most of the times, he's going to play one note there, or the lowest note, that's the root. So if you see me playing quite a number of chords, forget about it and look at the left hand. It will let you know the basics of the chord to play, just like I'm doing. And once you are improving, sometimes you go overboard. And once you are improving, you could add up those other notes and chords to it. For now, this is what we could do with the 6th chord for now. Enjoy your day, and I hope you learn a lot from this lesson. Please, if you haven't subscribed and have watched to this time, the patcho, and then I will change. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe and like. Let me know in the comment section what you missed, what you understood, and how you would have wished I approached some things. If you know more, you could share in the comment section. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.